Hello students, in this video we will see what do you mean by polynomial. So I have written some algebraic expression in front of you, that is 5x square plus 7x plus 2, second 2x plus 3, third 7x and last 8. Now one thing is common in all these algebraic expression, and what is it? If you see the power of variable in all the above algebraic expression in given algebraic expression, what you will observe, all the power in the power of variables in given expressions are whole numbers. Okay, now what do you mean by whole number? Whole number, it is a set of all numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right? See, if you see the first algebraic expression, that is 5x square plus 7x plus 2. What is the variable here? Variable is x. What is the power of x? 2. So yes, it is a whole number. What is the power of x here? It is 1. See, here it is 1. Yes, it is a whole number. What is the power of x here? See, can we write a constant term as 2 into x to the power 0? Why? Because anything to the power 0 is what? A to the power 0. It is always equal to what? It is equal to 1. So if you see the first expression, the power of x in all the terms in first, second, third term, it is what? Whole number. If we consider a second expression, that is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Now, what is the power of x here? It is 1. What is the power of x here? It is 0. 1 and 0, these are what? Whole number. So, is it understood? If you consider a third, that is 7x, what is the power of x here? Power is 1, it is again a whole number. If you consider the fourth term, that is 8, can we write 8 as 8 into x to the power 0? So what is the power of x here? Power is 0. So it is again what? Whole number. Right? So any algebraic expression in which the power of variable, if it is a whole number, then such algebraic expressions are called as polynomial. Okay, so you have to remember the definition and example of it. Okay, to understood this, we will consider further more algebraic expression. So you have to identify whether it's a polynomial or not. So in all the example, you have to simply check what is the power of variable in that algebraic expression. So let us consider some example. Okay, example number 1. 2x square plus 4x plus 8. Second example, 3x square plus 5 upon x plus 10. Third example, 7x plus root x minus 8. And last example, cube root of x plus x square minus 10. So the four examples are given to you. You have to identify, you have to tell me whether they are algebraic expression or not. See here, in the first example, 2x square plus 4x plus 8. So if you consider this algebraic expression, the power of variable, what is variable here? X. The power of variable, here it is whole number. So in all the terms, power of variable is whole number. Therefore, it is a polynomial. Therefore, it is a polynomial. Is it right? By definition. Now, in the second example, what is power of x here? 2. Yes, it is a whole number. What is 5 upon x? So 5 upon x, can we write this as 5 into x to the power minus 1? No, minus 1 is not a whole number, is not a whole number. Therefore, the given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Is it right? Why? Because one of the term, there is one term, that is 5 upon x, in which power of variable, that is x, it is what? Minus 1, which is not whole number, right? Now, consider a third. Consider a third algebraic expression, 7x. So what is power of x here? 1. It is a whole number. Now what is root x? So root x means what? X to the power 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is not a whole number, is not a whole number. Therefore, can we say it is not a polynomial? Yes, it is right. Next, last example, just check whether you are able to solve this or not. Okay, take your time. In first term only, what is cube root of this? Is what? Cube root of x, x to the power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is not a whole number, is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Is it right? So hope with this, it is clear that how to identify the given algebraic expression is a polynomial or not. Okay, simply you have to check what is the power of variable in each term. It should be whole number, right? So thank you.